One, two, three, funky.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you to how to start a new school year strong. So of course we all know this is April and people have already started their new school year, at least in India, and don't know if anyone haven't started yet or not. Mine is already started like 1-2 weeks ago, so I thought of sharing a video for tips and tricks that how we can start your own school year strong. I think this video will be very important and very helpful for you, so give all your suggestions in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video a little helpful also. So without any further delay, let's get started. So my first tip is organizing. So it is very important to organize everything. Like organizing things make everything a lot much easier. Before starting your new school year, you should organize your bag, your pencils, your pencil pouch and pens and all the stationery items, and replacing your old books with your new books, like cleaning your shelves, cleaning your drawers, and cleaning your study table, cleaning everything to make everything organized for starting a new year of your school. So my second tip is always set up your sleeping pattern. I know this might sound a bit weird, but it is very important, and we all know that half of us are night owls, including me, but I have recently started sleeping earlier and started waking up earlier, because or else it's going to harm everything, your mental health, your studies, everything, your motivation. You will get lazier and it just deteriorates everything. So you should sleep early and you should wake up early too. And the most important thing is setting alarm. Yes, you have to set alarm, or else you're not gonna wake up in the morning. The alarm should be only one, because I have seen people giving multiple alarms, so that will not work like that. You should always set one alarm, and a single one alarm with some music which calms your mind, or any song you like this should be a calming thing, not a very, like anything you like, set it at your alarm, and it should make your morning mood refreshed. Don't set an irritating thing, because it going to ruin your mood in the morning, and that is not good. So you should start your morning in a positive way. So my third tip is using some productivity apps. You may think that phone or our smartphone doesn't help us in studying in any way, and an app cannot help us, but you're totally wrong, because app does help us if you use it in a correct way. And I have two apps for you which are very good and very simple interface, like everyone can use them, they are very simple, very easy, and will help you every day in your life. I have seen very difficult apps which I don't like, so I have two apps for you. Like one is Minimalistic and another one is Stuff. So the Minimalistic app is a very good app, and it's like a very simple interface. Like you just type your to-do and it will appear on the screen, and you just swipe it off to cut, like you have done that job, and you can just click on it and set a Pomodoro timer, which can help you in every way during that time, during studying, during doing that work. So this is a very good app. And the second app is Stuff. The Stuff is a very good app. It's just a widget on your screen to write all your to-dos and maintaining it, because if a app just stays inside your phone and you have to open that app every time to look for what you haven't done yet, but this app helps me, like it keeps everything on my screen to remind me every time, like what I have to do, what I have haven't completed, which is urgent, which needs to be done by tomorrow, which is done to be today. So these two apps are like heaven. And you can also use your notes app, because you all have an inbuilt note app, and which is very helpful. I write some important things sometimes, like my tuition dates and everything, which helps me a lot. So these apps can help you a lot in studies. So my fourth tip is buying your all back to school stationery and supplies and all the notebooks just before starting your new school year. This is the only thing I like so much. Like I can do tons of shoppings on this stationery and supplies, because I love to do that, and I'm sure like everyone loves to do that, because if you're not motivated yet, you can be motivated after buying this. 100% can be motivated, because this just like, I don't know, I can't describe the feeling, because you already are like me. So you should buy all your stationery and everything to buckle up for your new school. And the fifth and the last tip is setting up a proper study routine for yourself. Like, this is very easy to do. Like, you have to like sort out every day, like write down every day, like in which time you have which classes and which time you are free for your self study. And if you want me to make a video on this, comments down below. I will make a video on how you can create your own study routine. So it will be very helpful for you before starting your new school year, because everything should be in a routine. Without routine we can't like do anything. There should be some don'ts also. So my first don't is, don't ever procrastinate in the beginning of your school year, because thinking like that, like we have time, this is just the beginning, you can't procrastinate at the first. Then you will be like, you're wasting your own time if you're procrastinating in the first. So don't procrastinate. My second don't is, don't afraid to ask question in classes. Like we all know now, we are facing a pandemic and all of us are having online class, and most of the student doesn't ask anything in the class. You should ask what you're not able to understand. You should clarify your questions, your doubts, your everything from the teacher. And my last don't is, do not overlist your to-do list, because writing a tons of things in a to-do list at first looks very good, like I will do so many things today on this one, but it doesn't work practically. Your to-do list should be practical, and it should be clean, and there should be limited works, or you will be motivated at the first 2-3 days and then will be dismotivated for the rest of the year. So it will not work like that. So for today this only, and if you haven't still followed me on Instagram, check my Instagram for more updates and regular stories on my Instagram. So for today this only, we'll be meeting you in the next video. If you found this video a little helpful, also don't forget to subscribe and like, because one like equals to one motivation. I forgot in which video I said this last, in which video I have last said this. If you remember, comments down below, I want to know. So stay home, stay safe, and goodbye, and thanks for watching. We'll be meeting you in the